Hey there, this is Ron, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Kylas Sales CRM. This is going to be a walkthrough of everything. You will find Kylas and how you can use it to manage your sales pipeline, track leads, and close deals faster, right? And we will dive where you will learn every single feature. This is more like an introduction video. That's what I will call it. So let's jump in. So first thing first, what exactly is Kylas? Kylas Sales CRM is a tool designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses to help them manage their sales process very efficiently, from lead management to pipeline tracking. Now, Kylas has got you covered, right? So there is a lot of things. The first thing is a lead management, right? It can capture, organize, and nurture leads all in one place. There's a pipeline tracking. Obviously, we are going to talk in detail later in this video. And there's automation and analytics, right? So you can get insight into your team performance and sales trends with detailed report. So Kylas also integrates seamlessly with tools like QuickBooks, Zoho, and Google, right? Google Workspace. Make it super versatile. So now that we know what Kylas does, let's dive into how you can set it up and start using it. So to get started, you have to come to this official website. And before moving further, let's talk about the pricing because it's impact a lot, right? So Kylas gives you three plans here. There's an Embark, Elevate, and Exceed. So Embark is completely free, and the second one is Elevate, and the third one is Exceed. You can pause this video or you can just visit this official website and have a look at this, right? Obviously, the each plan is better than the last plan here. So I will just go and click on Embark one. I will just go and click on sign up. Now it will ask my email here, right? So let's use my email. Then you have to enter your name and your phone number, right? So this is a country code. Enter your phone number, the company name, select employee size, click on I'm not a robot, and then click on sign up. Now here I got an email, right? So just go ahead and click on activate account. You will be redirected to a new page here, and here you have to create your password. So let me just create my password, right? Once you have created your password, just go to login page here. Let's enter our email and enter your password. Click on sign in. Now we have a 6 days of subscription, so we can use it. You can completely use it and each and every feature. This is what I'm going to explain you. So let's just get started. Now, once you have entered each and everything, now here's where the phones begin. So let's customize your workspace. We can add widgets like your sales pipeline, lead summaries, and performance charts. We can rearrange them to feed your workflow. Right, so you can see here in the left side, you will see a lot of features, right? This is a menu bar, horizontal menu bars, and we will just talk about for each and every features here. Now this is getting started, right? This is a search bar and this is a base currency. So let me just first of all select our currency here. For me, it's United States or dollars. I will just go and click on save on the top right side corner, click on yes, proceed, and we are into the official dashboard of Kylas, right? Now here you will find a lot of things. So once I just go and click on the top left side corner here, you will see this option of Kylas Sales and Kylas Marketplace. So let's talk about first of all the sales, then we will just move to the marketplace here. Now this is a dashboard, leads, deals, contacts, and companies. We'll talk about this. This will give you the complete homepage. The dashboard will give you overview about each and everything what is happening in your system. So the dashboard is a central hub for managing sales activity in Kylas. It provides a quick overview of key metrics, task insights to keep you on top of your sales process. Now here's a breakdown. So the top navigation bar, which you can see here, this bar, use this to quickly find leads, deals, or other records by typing keywords. Right, you can see here on the top right side corner, you can see this is a quick add, so you can just add it. This act like a widgets, right? And you can also go and click on create new to add new leads. I will show you how you can add new leads and everything here, right? In the plus icon, you can, for example, I want to add a lead, so I will just go and click on add a lead. So I can add a lead. I have to fill up all this information. We'll talk about later in this. Now there's also a new tab which you can see here, create, and you can just click on add a new dashlet, and here I can just add it, right? Type of entity, type of dashlet to add, right? So this is really interesting. Now you can access the settings bar, and by the way, on the top right side corner, this is my profile icon. This is the CRM settings, which I can just go here and change some of this basic information, right? If you're getting confused or if you don't have much information, make sure you don't touch this part. Right, now there's a one more CRM settings. You can also access it from here, right? And you can customize your dashboard and configure workflow. On the left side menu, you can see here there's a lot of things, right? I've already told you on the top right side corner, you will see the dashboard changing tool, Kylas Sales and Kylas Marketplace. You can shift from here. This is a dashboard already explained. There's a leads, right? So lead help you to manage all your leads. So when I just go to here, right, as you can see here, I don't have any leads right now. So I can just go on the top right side corner. I can just go and click on add. This is the same thing when I showed you how you can add a quick lead from your dashboard, but from here you can add it too. You can search the field, right? If you have already added some information, you can just fill up this first name, last name, and the owner, email address, phone number, and then you will able to add the lead, right? There's a one more information from here. As you can see here, there's only one page. If there would be more than one, then you can just change it from here and click on save. Now the second option is deals. Now deals help you to track your sales pipeline and deal progress. So what I mean by here, so if I just go and click on create new, so I have to add the basic information, the product and service, the campaign information, right? And then just go and click on save. So all this information is necessary and it will show up in the deal section. As I told you, it will help you to track your sales pipeline and deal progress. And below there's also an option of task, right? So for example, let me show you, this is a task here. So you can view and manage tasks assigned to you or your team. So let me show you here. So for example, if there's any task, obviously you can say it from the dashboard too, all the tasks which is assigned to you. Or if you're working in a company where Kylas has been used by the whole member, all the team members, you will able to see your activity. Or if you are the team member leader, then you can add the task for yourself as well as for your team member. Right, now below this there's a contact. Below deals, the contact is something where is the information about your clients and about the company. So you can just go and click on add here. Now once you just go and click on add, automatically you will able to add this basic information and communication and click on save. Right, so there's a more option, for example reports. So let me take you to the reports here somewhere. Now this is at the bottom. Now here in the reports, so reports generate detailed report on performance matrix, which is really useful. Now this is a call log, so you can just write your emails and as well as you can do a call directly from the Kylas, which is obviously all the logs will show up here, right? And you can on the top right side corner, you can log a call here, right? You can set a meeting and you can schedule a meeting, right? Which is about this, there is a section of meeting here, right? So these are some of the basic stuff here. And if you're using a CRM for the first time, so it can be a little bit difficult and there's a too many options just to access it out, right? But somehow if you just keep on using it and if a team member are using, definitely you will get an idea that how this works. So the main section of the dashboard is divided into several widgets, right, that provides at a glance insights. So let's break down one. The first one is a lead by owner. So show a summary of leads assigned to a specific owner, right? The screenshot show, and as you can see here, basically there's no data has been added here, but if there would be any data, you can obviously filter it out, right? And you can display new created leads with a specific date range, all the tasks here, all the meetings here. You can check out what if there is a meeting tomorrow or is there is any task tomorrow, and if I want to add a meeting, I can directly add it from here, and there's a task and directly do it from here, right? So this is really useful. And let me show you some of this more information. Right on the top left side corner, there's a Kylas Marketplace. So Marketplace is something where you can just install this application. For example, CRM, Kylas CRM is so versatile that it can connect with all this application, and it even provide you that you can directly download it from here. For example, I want to get connected with the QuickBooks. So I can just go and click on install app, right? I have to enter the email and the password. Let me enter it and click on sign in. Now it will ask for the permission. Now click on allow and install. So what will happen, you need to sign in or before continuing, right? So once it get installed, automatically you will able to access the QuickBooks directly in Kylas. So you don't need to juggle between the QuickBooks and you have to come back to the Kylas. So it's become really hectic, right? And this is what Kylas is really interesting, because it provides you a lot of third application integration. For example, Stripe for the payment, for the SMS, Razorpay. Indians use Razorpay a lot for the payment system. This is exactly similar to Stripe, by the way. This is a Zoho Books, right? And there's a lot of, right? Call Hippo, and I know some of this application. I've used it myself. Shopify, right? So this is really nice. And even if I just go and click on view it, so I just need to enter my QuickBooks email ID and QuickBooks password, and I will able to access QuickBooks directly from here. So this is what Kylas Marketplace is. This is it, guys. I think this is enough information. And if you found this video very useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorial. And wanted to learn more about Kylas, visit the website or check out the link in the description below. Have question, drop in the comment. We will love to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.